ilusión, pero llamo a su amiga que se olvide que esta es su canción. Y baila, 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 ponle música pa' que esto no pare. Baila, 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 tengo que besarte antes que sea.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Serenity, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do enjoy today's video, smash the like button. Go ahead and click subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I post another video like this one. So let's get straight on. If you can't tell by today's title, I'm going to be doing how I make my cereal milk slime. I'm pretty sure, I don't know who started making this, but Parakeet Slimes made her cereal milk slime, and then it started going like all over, and they were like, oh, let me create this. So this is my version of my cereal milk slime. So yeah, let's get started. So I'm going to show you the things that you're going to be needing to make the slime. You're going to be needing a utensil to mix with. I just have this spatula. Then you're going to need a bowl. I have this slime bowl that I'm going to be using for my slime from now on. So if you stay tuned to my videos, I will be using this bowl, spatula and bowl. Then you're going to be needing, I just got new containers, but you're going to be needing some seal tight containers. So yeah, I'm going to put this down here so it doesn't get in my way. Then you're going to be needing baby oil. This is just Baby Love by Personal Care. Baby oil specially seals and moisturize, pure and gentle. This is 6.5 fluid ounces, so yeah. Some baby oil. You're going to be needing some white glue. I actually ran out of Elmer's clear and white, so I just went out to the store and bought our white glue here. I'm probably not going to be using all of this because this is pretty big. It's actually 8 fluid ounces, so yeah. And then you're going to be, I'm going to be using a lotion. This is cocoa butter. I just love the smell of cocoa butter lotions. I don't know if it's just how I like my slime, but I just like the smell of it. It smells so good. But I'm using the Assured Daily Moisturized Lotion. I think I get this, yeah, I'm pretty sure I got this at the dollar store. Go ahead and go to the dollar store and get lotion. That's really the only, I don't know what I got from the dollar store. I can't really remember. But if you do need some lotion, go ahead and go to your dollar store. They have big things of lotion, like this big, like, this is 20 fluid ounces. And you'll get it for $1. So, yeah. Let's get straight on into the video. Well, straight on into making the slime. So, oh my god. I just dropped the baby oil. Luckily it was closed. There's bubbles in it. Do you see that? So, I'm going to start with adding in my glue. Oh man, it has a seal. I got it out. It does not have a very good smell, just saying. Oh, sugar. I just forgot something. You're going to need activator. I'm using this Clear Tide Free and Gentle activator because it's clear and it won't dye my slime, and it's a really good activator to me. So, yeah. Activator. You can use Stay Flow, Tide, I think Gain. I'm not really sure. Don't take me up for that. Borax. I just don't like borax that much, but I do like that Tide. So yeah, I'm gonna be taking my glue and pouring it in. I think that's enough. I can't really see how much I added. Yeah, that's enough. Okay. We're gonna just scoop that back up. Close it. Next, I'm going to add my baby oil. I'm going to open it right over here. Okay. I don't have nothing to poke a hole through this. I'll use a pen. If you're wondering why I'm going all the way down there, it's because I have like this little tabletop and I have pens down here. Oh, shoot. I'm always making a mess, like baby oil. It smells good. It smells weird. A good weird, though. Maybe this will help with the smell of the glue. Don't add too much of this. I'm just saying right now where I put my actual measuring thing. Yeah, I usually have a measuring spoon near me because when I do these kind of slime things, I always like especially with baby oil, it's an oil, which means that it can like, oh, it's right here. It can like easily get out of hand, and knowing me, I'm probably gonna be like all over and stuff. So yeah, I found my measuring. I'm going to do 1 teaspoon of baby oil, so just be gentle. Okay, I'm probably gonna do see what I said? See what I said? Yeah, that's it. Actually, when I was pouring it, it came out, so yeah. Alright, now we're gonna close this because probably, if I didn't, I'd probably knock it over. I'm very clumsy, so we're gonna turn the camera a little. We're just gonna mix this together. Yeah, this is definitely a lot of baby oil. Probably should have never added that much. I'm gonna add more glue just because I added too much baby oil, and I can fix it by adding some more glue. That's enough. Okay. Hopefully that helps it better. This is what it looks like. Like that. Yeah, it's better now. There was like so much baby oil. Now I'm going to be adding some Daily Moisturize lotion. I'm going to be using the same thing from here just because it's going into the same mix and it's okay. If it was going into separate mixes, I probably wouldn't cross-contaminate. So I don't know how many I'm going to use of these. I really like my slime really soft. So if you don't, which I wouldn't see why you wouldn't, this is my third one. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm just gonna forewarn you right now that if anybody comes into my little office place, whatever, I'm sorry, they're probably just looking for me or something. And I don't have like my sign that I usually have where it says I'm recording or something. I forgot to put it out there. So yeah, I'm going to stir this up in this bowl right now. I just have my glue, my baby oil, and I'm mixing in my lotion. I really like the spatula because I'm pretty sure this is a Betty Crocker spatula. I don't know what it is. No, it's not Betty Crocker. I think it's just cooking. It says cooking concepts. So that's my spatula. And this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna pick it up. That's what it looks like. Just looks like glue. If you do need some like more baby oil at the end, wait for it to activate, then put a little more because I'm not gonna add none right now because it might look like you need it, but you probably don't. So I don't know if I want to use this or like my borax because I have some borax up there. I have a shelf up there. If you can look, see what I'm looking at. I'm looking up there. I don't know if I want to use that though, because I only use that to like reactivate slimes. So I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna pour it in here. I'm not gonna use that much. I'm probably gonna just do what I think I might use. Not really sure. Hey guys, can't see the bowl no more. Let's put this back down and hopefully that does not spill because that's just gonna make a big mess. We're just gonna add a little bit at a time. Okay, I didn't add all of it. I didn't add all of it. Okay, it's becoming slime. It's like starting to get like, if you can hear it. But it is starting to become slime, like I can't even pick it up, like that. Okay. With that, it's like weird. Sometimes when I make, I'm probably gonna have to start going in with my hands, which sucks because I don't really like getting my hands dirty, but it actually helps it mix better. I'm trying to not put it on here because it makes this, so I don't want to make the camera not hear my voice. It looks like jiggly or something. Alright, it just went on my counter. I never do this, but it's going on my counter so that I can actually need. If you add too much activator, no worries. You can always add like more lotion, which I probably did add too much activator. Like, look at that. So I'm probably gonna add more lotion. Let's get with the lotion. Get with the program. I added some lotion, and I'm just going to stir this up. Hopefully it's a good slime because I don't want to waste glue. And usually I'm here for some time just mixing in some lotion because normally I do this. Just add too much activator. The activator that I use, which is either borax, but I don't really like using it. I only have it because I bought from a slime shop and they had borax and I didn't have no activator and had to reactivate one of her slimes. So I made it. But I do like using Tide or Stay Flow. Don't worry, guys. Soon enough, I'm gonna be getting a mixer. So if I'm like doing, I'm thinking about starting my own slime shop. So yeah, hopefully I do, because I like slime, and I feel like I make pretty good slimes. So, as you can see, after kneading it and putting a little more lotion into it, it became a nice, good consistency. It might smell weird because of the glue I'm using. If you use Elmer's, it's not going to smell weird. I can just add a scent to it and call it a day. I feel like the glue base is just a jiggly glue base because I didn't add no water to this. And, like, look. It doesn't make that good cookies. Maybe it just has to sit because usually I leave mine sitting, but you can see, but it makes really good crackalackis. I'm going to add a little more of this stuff and then go with some baby oil and a cap. I just like, I just missed the whole cap and I went to go add baby oil and it went all over. So this is what I'm talking about. We're just gonna put it in my hand. Serenity's messes. I always have messes. What are you talking about? My hands are gonna be very oily. Probably going to affect my skin. If it's probably gonna melt too, because I feel like this, when I add baby oil into slime, it kind of makes it melt. Like, see, it's not melting, but it is getting like liquidier. Yeah, see. So I have some activator on the side just in case. All I wanted to do was add some baby oil. And like, this thing was full. I did manage to get it back in because I am not wasting, and my counter is clean, so yeah. Add some more of this, the rest of that. It doesn't, I don't know why, but like, I like the glue, no, but see, what happens is that I like the glue base because it makes a very good, like, crunchy sounds, and yeah, I just feel like the baby oil is what happened. So I actually added too much, which this is how my slimes normally go, like this, then that, then this. But I'm going to speed up the process for you guys. So I am almost done. I got it to the point where it's like not scrunchy. Is that how you say it? But I got it to how it's like not scrunchy. I actually have to go get some food coloring, but this is cereal milk, so it's obviously going to stay this color. But yeah. This is the slime that I made. This is my cereal milk slime. If you use it with, I feel like it comes out better with Elmer's for the like clicking. You still get some out of here, but it's like kind of looks like a jiggly base. But if you do this, watch, hold up. Good thing about this glue is that like it's breaking, but I'm pretty sure that's because I literally added too much activator. Just gonna add a little more. Oh my gosh, this solution is hard to get out the container without two hands. I either use Suave or this lotion, so yeah. But they're both cocoa butter because I just like cocoa butter. But yeah, so let's get you some ASMR. So there we go. I gave you some ASMR. So this slime, I like it a lot. I'm probably gonna name it like Jiggly Milk Slime or maybe Cereal Milk. It's just not really like a cereal milk. It's like more jigglier than a cereal milk. So I might name it like, I actually do have some glitter, so maybe I can put a glitter into it and make it like, that was the door. It was actually storming, so that's probably the wind. I like it. I like this slime a lot just because it's chilly. And yeah, I don't know if I want to do it cereal milk or like unicorn milk. I can make a unicorn milk. Alright guys, I'm probably gonna make a unicorn milk. Probably off camera, but in my next video I will feature this slime. I will feature this slime in there with some ASMR and showing you how it turned out after a couple of days. But thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you want to see another video of mine, go ahead and click subscribe or click the notification bell to be notified when I post another video like this one, so that you guys can see what this slime turns out to be. Maybe it'll stay the same or maybe it'll change. But bye guys!